It ain't that far.
Back there somewhere. So she said
Look and see if there's any butlers. They're right in this area, right? And it's a tall one like that, one of them. The other one is not.
okay.
I usually come that way.
You come this way?
It ain't that far, no.
Which way do you usually come? Which way do you usually come? The other side of the church.
I can't hear you.
Which way do you usually come? You come from the other side of
I
the church?
come by here now. This big church has got me thrown off. It's got to be up in here further.
Okay.
Y'all just hang around.
Well, we'll help you back.
Yeah, come on.
We all work together.
There's one tall one,
There's one tall.
one short one. Oh, I believe I see them.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's where we added on one.
These are some griffins. Lynn Griffin, Andrew, does that sound familiar?
Oh, I don't know what it is.
Butler.
Yep, it's
Caroline Butler.
there it is.
Come on, Dudder.
That's Grandma Butler.
That's your...
Away! This is Grandpa. Job
Yeah.
M.U.S. What's this kind of?
COF. What does that stand for?
M.U.S.
I don't know.
C.O.F.
Company F.
He was in the Florida Regiment. I think they had around here. They joined the Florida Regiment. Oh,
Wow, so she lived and
6th
died on her
Regiment,
birthday?
Florida Infantry.
Yes.
CSA. That's February 18, 1938. 1838. Died 1970.
She died on her birthday.
How about that? 16.
I'm going to get close and take a picture. Ooh, that gives you a funny feeling to see your name on
tell
the
you.
grave. She died on her birthday.
Oh my gosh.
Shannon noticed that.
October 16th.
I don't know why Marvin did this, but he had a headstone there. Why did Marvin want to put another one?
9 years younger.
There's two there now.
And how old was she?
Is that for your daddy?
No,
For your granddaddy?
that's my granddaddy. My brother, he come and moved that in. Is one,
70.
what does this say, Job
Well, she wasn't very long.
Butler.
She's only 4 years older than I am now. And he was 9 years older than her.
I can't read it.
Okay, can you come read
He
this?
died in the 70s too, though.
Read that?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Joe Butler, February 6th, 1838, January 21.
18.
1868 to January 21st, 1907. Come until not.
Gone, but not forgotten.
Well, you see why. Now, Marvin bought another one. Whether he brought this one without.
His birthday was
I
February
forget.
27th.
Seemed like he brought the tall one.
Lacey was on the cusp of Aries.
Who's this?
6th Regiment.
There's a
Florida
dog. It
Infantry.
fell off. We should stand it up.
CSA,
The
that's
dog's on his head. That's not right.
It's got the infantry.
Oh gosh, that thing's
Yeah.
heavy.
and then he's they give Marvin all the two veterans somewhere and got it.
We'll put
They
it
send
on.
them for old veterans.
That's from Miss
February
Griffin.
1838.
Infant.
A long time ago.
And then this one, this is J.
He died
1901.
1907. I wasn't even born yet. I was born
J.E.
in
Griffin.
1923.
Well, there's a
And
Griffin
Grandma
name, so I'm
died.
gonna take a picture of it. Give it to Jimmy.
Let's see what-
1920.
See, I was born in 23. She died 3 years before I was born.
So you didn't meet either of your grandparents.
This is the one Marvin moved in.
As a
in.
boy.
Yeah, that's
He just left the other one.
yeah.
There's a baby griffin right there.
See, but Ma, one of Ma's sisters married a Griffin. And is this, a woman or?
It's a baby. They didn't even name it. Infant of Mr. and Mrs. Griffin. J.E. Griffin.
What does that say? Can you straighten it up? It wouldn't stay in there before.
ANF.
Shannon, can you tell what that is?
ANF.
What is it?
Infant.
Infant?
This is where the guy stepped through the ground, fell in with him.
Oh, my goodness. Be careful, Shannon. Oh, it's kind of soft there, too. Help! 1 foot in the grave already.
Here's what you call 1 foot in the grave. He said. Yeah, that's some of our relation too.
Yeah. W2. He's W2.
Well, that ain't our
That
fault.
ain't us.
Look at that. They was building one out of bushes. That thing.
Is this a marker here? Or is that just a
That's
rock?
I don't think nobody planted right through here in this whole patch.